it. Another Nutties and cookies in cup. There. May siya baga siya o Tela. Pang ka 7 pairs na niya. So, enough na siya. And then, also have this. Pagdama niya. Pagdama yung panglakaw. Wow! It's so cute. Romper. Bugnaw siya Tela. Pang newborn siya. And then, nakoy bib. Kulang pa yung mga bibs. So, tingnan pa. 3 pieces bibs. Maran pa niya. And then, last is
Nawara.
I have medium but it's so still small. Frog pants siya. Here. No need na. 3 pieces pink. There. And then, 3 pieces white. Medium mo kong gikuha, but kung may yung medium, oy. I guess pang newborn, sabi na ko, mediums dog ko na like, good for 3 to 6 months. But anyway, the Tela is good. That's all. Thank you.
Ay, ampi.